Got pineapple at home? Then make this melt in your mouth dessert. Start by adding a cup of sugar to a pan. Mix well until it turns into caramel. Once it's fully melted, that's the perfect stage. Now add finely chopped pineapple pieces. Stir carefully. When it thickens, remove from heat and pour into a mold. Spread it out and let the caramel cool to harden. You can refrigerate if you prefer. In another bowl, add 2 packs of pineapple gelatin. Pour in 400 milliliters of hot water. Give it a quick stir. Then add 400 g of heavy cream. Mix again. All done. Now pour this over our caramel base. Refrigerate until it sets. Folks, now just grab a plate to unmold. Check out how amazing this dessert looks. Quick, easy, and delicious. And it looks stunning too. Try it at home, everyone will love it. Hope you enjoyed this. Another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Thanks, folks.